Do you ever seen those fun, colorful text images online with a cartoon look? You know, the ones with bold letters that have cool effects like neon colors, outlines, shadows, and glows. Well, guess what? They are super easy to make yourself using Canva. Let me show you how. I learned this simple trick to spice up my social media posts and make my own graphics text images. First, go to the Canva and start designing something new. Really, you can pick any type of design. The size doesn't matter here. Now, it's time to add some text. To type some text, click on the text option in the left sidebar. Next, change the font to something that has a more cartoonish look. For this example, I will use a font called Bangers. In the next step, we need to download this text as a PNG image file with a transparent background. We are doing this because we need to apply a shadow effect which doesn't work on the text created with the text tool. To download the PNG file with a transparent background, I will be using the paid feature in Canva, but you can use any free background removal tool you will find online. After downloading the file, upload it to Canva and add it to your project. Now, select the image with the text you have uploaded and click on the Edit Image option in the upper menu. To apply the correct shadow effect, please switch to the older editor interface by clicking on this link. Now, while you are in the older editor, please locate the shadow feature and select the glow effect. After that, adjust the size somewhere between 10 or 15. Set transparency to 100 and set blur to 0. You also need to change the color to white. The next step is to apply the glow effect again. However, in order to do so, after applying the initial glow effect, you need to click somewhere else on the design project to reset the edit option of your images. If you don't do this, you will only be adjusting the current glow effect instead of applying a new one. Once you have reset the edit image options, go back to the shadows and glow effect. This time, set the size to around 5 or 6, the transparency to 100, and the blur size to 0. That concludes the text. Now you can change the background color to see how the cartoon text truly stands out. When you are all done, download the text as a JPEG or PNG image file to post anywhere or even print out. As you can see, anyone can create colorful eye-catching text with Canva. In just few minutes and a few clicks, you can make graphics that grab attention on social media websites, clothing, invitations, anywhere you want to spice things up. So, I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you have any questions, use the comment section and I will try to reply.